Hello, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Big Sky Hobby Corner. This little part of the video, we're going to discuss control horn and how to properly set them up, and our control rod, I guess. When you open this kit, it's going to come with 4 of these. Okay, it's got threads at one end and nothing at the other. One side, contrary to popular belief, is for clevises, which is what I put here. What I did, I screwed half of that thread amount into our control rod, okay? Then I just cut it off there. The point of that is, we're going to take our clevis. This is the Great Plains 440 clevis. We're just going to screw it on here. What we want to do, or what we want to see, is the end of that control rod, the threaded bar, to come out of the end. Just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. I don't know if you can see it or not, but right here is what I'm looking for. Now at this point, I'm going to take my control horn and I'm going to set it in the clevis. That way we get everything set right. Now, whatever anybody tells you, whatever the deal is, this is what I do, and it's the proper way to do it. See, the holes in our control horn need to be in line with our hinge point. So that's how I'm going to set this up. Now I'm going to go second hole up on this. Sometimes they can be a little difficult. That's fine. A little bit of fidgeting and everything will go the way it's supposed to. Get that installed like so. We're going to take this apart again, so I'm not too concerned about it snapping we're actually going to put a piece of fuel tubing on here to help secure that. Now what I'll do at this point, where this naturally wants to set, I'll use it. Creates less binding. And then I'm going to slide it back to where that row of holes is lined up with our hinge point. Now I'm going to take a drill. Now I'm going to drill through. One. Sorry. And to kind of help hold that position, you can take a screw. And those holes are right at size, so you may need to screw it on in there. And don't lose them. It's tough on a fat guy bending over. Go ahead and get that through. If it pushes on through, that's fine, just like that. And then I'm going to put that through the hole that we just drilled for the location. Now, just holding it secure, I'm going to drill our hole in our other location. I'm a little jumpy today for some reason. Just like that. And then I'll get our other screw and get that on through. .40 size airplanes and 60 size, this type of control setup, there's nothing wrong with it. You don't need to go with those big time, large scale pusher up. Yeah, you don't need to go with all that. This works great. I've already got the rudder done. Alright, I got those down. We're not done yet though. We got to put the back plate on. It came with our control horn. I can't hang on to nothing today. Like so, okay? Now you'll see there's 2 pieces that protrude out. You want those facing away. You want your screws to come in. And if you look, there's little chamfers there to help that go a little easier. Turn this on the side here. We can trim that off. That's bound to happen just about anything you do. We can trim that off later. So what I'll do, kind of a two-handed operation here. I'm wrong-handed here. I'll use a finger to hold them in place. And then I'll get them started. You may have to bounce back and forth a little until you get them going. Like so. Man, it's actually warming up in here. I didn't even turn the heater on. I'm gonna have to turn the air conditioner on here in a little bit. It's flying weather, baby. That's what me and my son have been doing, is a little bit of flying. We're actually waiting on batteries to charge right now. He's designing a go-kart right now. It's a fine thread, so you're going to have to be patient while you're screwing everything down. You kind of want to sink it into the wood just a little bit. About like that. Okay? And now, that's really how you set up your control horn. And then I'm just grabbing a control rod internally, and that gives us our elevator control, which that's more than enough for this airplane. Alright, next we're going to do the Z-bend setup. That's what a lot of people have trouble with, so we're going to take a little bit more time on that one. Anyway, thanks for watching.